Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate, guys, here on a 2012 for F-150, but even if you have a different year, the video may be really helpful. The first fuse box that we'll be working on is the one that's right under the hood, guys. We're talking about that fuse box right here. When you open the hood, right above the radiator, you have the fuse box. When you open it, you will face it this way. You have, guys, here the fuses, relays, different kinds of fuses that could be really expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy spare fuses at a really good price, so check it out. Now let's talk why it's super important to test these fuses and not to just assume that it's a good or bad fuse. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the first fuse that we'll need to check, if we come in that row right here of little fuses, guys, the first fuse that we'll need to check is the one on the very left side. We're talking about a 10 amp fuse in our case. Okay, it's fuse number F26. Then we need to go to fuse number F34. So if you start here, 26, 7, 8, 9, 31, 32, 33, 34. That third square fuse, that J-case fuse right here, okay, that's another one for the Powertrain Control Module. Then we're going to come in that line right here of fuses. And starting from the left to right, 1, 2, that second fuse, that 5 amp fuse, guys, okay, that right here, that's the one that you will need to check. Then we, guys, have two more in that, one more in that fuse box, and I'm talking about fuse number 75. If you come in that fuse row here, it will be the first 15 amp fuse that we have right here. Now we have another fuse box, guys, that's inside your F-150 in the kick panel on the passenger side, kind of like under the glove box there on the right side. This is the fuse box, okay, right here. And we need to check here now specifically, guys, two more fuses, okay, for the Powertrain Control Module. So the first fuse that we will need to check specifically, guys, if you come on the left row, the very last fuse, that 10 amp fuse, okay, that will be the first one that you need to check. That's fuse number 18. And then you will need to go to fuse number specifically 31, which will be this row right here, the third from left to right. That middle fuse, okay, right there, that 5 amp fuse here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.